Hello, everyone. Today's question is 8 minus 5. In brackets, 8 minus 5. So let's solve this further. 8 minus 5, remove the brackets, and multiply. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 times 3, that's 9, but this is the wrong answer. When we are faced with math questions like this, we must solve them according to the PEMDAS rule. First, we'll solve the brackets. Division and multiplication have the same priority, so we'll check from left to right. Whichever comes first, division or multiplication, we'll solve that. After that, addition and subtraction. Let's write the question again. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. First, according to BODMS, we'll solve the brackets. So here we write 8 minus 5, remove the brackets, multiplication, 8 minus 5, 3. Now we'll solve it further. So 8 minus 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Now this is plus 8 and minus 15, so that becomes minus 7. Question is 9 divided by 3 in brackets, 9 minus, so 9 divided by 3, that becomes 3. In brackets, 9 minus 6, which is 3. Remove the brackets, multiply, so 3 times 3. Now this is 9, this is the answer, but this is the wrong answer according to the BODMAS rule. First, let's repeat the question and write it. 9 divided by 3, 9 minus 6, according to the BODMAS rule. First, we'll solve the brackets as per the BODMAS rule. First, we'll solve the brackets. After that, for division and multiplication, since they have the same priority, we'll check from left to right. Then addition and subtraction. So in the brackets, 9 minus 6 becomes 3. Let's rewrite the next solution. 9 divided by 3, 9 minus 6 is 3. When we remove the brackets, we'll multiply. So it becomes 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 3. Now we'll check from left to right. First, we'll do the division, then the multiplication. 9 divided by 3, then times 3. 3 cancels out with 3, so 9 is the right answer. Is 1 minus 5. In brackets, 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 minus 4, in brackets, 1 minus 5. We'll remove the brackets from minus 4 and multiply. Minus 4 times minus 4, when you multiply minus by minus, it becomes positive. 4 times 4 is 16. This is the answer, but this is the wrong answer. Now rewrite the question, 1 minus 5 in the bracket. So according to the BODMA rule, we'll solve the bracket first. 1 minus 5 in the bracket is 1 minus 5, which is minus 4. Now, after removing the bracket, we'll do the multiplication. Multiply by minus 4, now minus 4, and minus times minus becomes plus. 1 plus 5 and 4, 5 into 4. Now we'll continue solving further. 1 plus 5 into 4 is 20. Now, continuing further, 1 plus 20 equals 21. This is the right answer. Question is, divide by 4 by 3 times 3. A divided by 4 becomes D. So 3 into 3 is 9. That becomes 2 divided by 9. This is, first, let's rewrite the question like this. A divided by 4 by 3 into 3. Whenever you get a question like this, according to the BODMAS rule, we'll look at the division first, the one that comes first, and solve that. So here, division comes first, and then we'll keep the second operation for later. First priority is division. So A divided by 4 by 3 into 3. Now, when it comes to division, and here this is 4 by 3, which is in the form of P by Q, we'll convert it into multiplication and reverse it. So 4 by 3 becomes 3 by 4, and this stays the same, into 3. Now, if we cancel out, 4 cancels with A, leaving 2, so it's 2 into 3, which is 18. This is the right answer. Today's question is 7 divided by 1/7 times 7. So first, let's try to solve it this way. 7 divided by 1, well, that's 7 divided by 7 times 7. Now, 7 divided by 7 times 7 actually equals 49. Next, we'll write it out as 7 over 49. So that simplifies down to 1/7. This is the answer we get, but keep in mind, this is actually the wrong answer. Now, let's write the question correctly. 7 divided by 1/7 times 7. In math questions like this one, we must always follow the BODMAS rule. In the BODMA rule, if there is both division and multiplication, we look from left to right and give first priority to whichever comes first and second priority to the next one from left to right. So here, division has the first priority. So we'll change the division to multiplication and reverse 1 by 7, making it 7 over 1 times 7. Now, 7 times 7 times 7, that's 343. This is the right answer. And earlier we got 1/7, which was incorrect.